What's up, guys? Hope everybody's having a really good Memorial Day weekend. I'm with the Z. I just washed it. Now we're gonna clay bar it. The people that bought it, they said they washed it, but it probably just got more dirty when I drove it back home. But as you can see, some of the water is sticking on the side, so it's not as smooth as it can be. So we're just gonna clay bar the whole car and get this paint tar. Should be looking good. Okay, I forgot what I said in the last post, but we're clay barring my car. I hope I said that in the last video. Anyway, this is the McGuire's clean. So McGuire's clay bar kit, quick detail kit. So I'm going to be using this and detail my car. So yeah. Okay, I basically got the whole car clay barred. I was just gonna do the roof and the trunk, and then probably work more on the front. But the scratch and all the chip marks on the front, I'm just gonna paint correct. And I got a new light coming, and then the Z badges, I just need to redo those eventually. So yeah. Okay, I don't know what happened in the last post, but I clay barred the whole car. So yeah, I mixed up. But this headlight right, I can't really do this. Right, this headlight right here is gonna get changed out soon. So yeah, look for that video. I'll probably record that better. So, but basically the car is clay barred. So yeah.